Now we will see in manufacturing process the part injection molding, in which we see the drilling. The drilling of the part is used to remove any unnecessary polymer that necessary may have been necessary in the molding process. By removing this extra material in house, it means a ready to assemble molding can be provided to the customer, or the part can be assembled with other moldings. For products polishing, for products that have a high quality gloss finish, a post molding polishing operation is often a useful extra process. Even though the finish produced by the molding tool may be of a very high quality, a polishing operation to remove any dust from the product before final packaging gives a part the high gloss finish that will have been specified. Polishing operations are carried out on the soft polishing wheel with high quality wax to ensure that the part is polished to perfect finish without leaving any marks. Assembly, for products that require assembly, we are able to carry out this operation in our assembly facility. We can demonstrate examples of assemblies where we mold all the separate components in house and assemble the parts either as a whole in the assembly facility or as a step by step process on the press. As each part is produced by carrying out assembly in house, we can reduce cost for our customers while still producing products to a high standard. Faults remedies, sink marks, depression in the molded part caused by shrinking and or collapsing of the resin during cooling. Sink mark problems, resin feed inadequate, improper mold design, parts cooling too rapidly, rib section in the part too wide, temperature of mold surface opposite rib too hot, entrapped gas, nozzle too restrictive, length too long, pressure too low, mold temperature too low or high, stock temperature too high, gate too small, improper gate location, nozzle and metering zone, temperature too high, excessive cooling time in mold, unbalanced flow pattern, bad check valve, jetting, turbulence in a resin melt flow caused by undersized gate, abrupt change in cavity volume or too high injection pressure, jetting problems, excessive injection speed, melt temperature too high, melt temperature too low, mold temperature too low, nozzle opening too small, gate the length too long, spur runner and or gate size too small, nozzle heating band malfunction, inefficient gate location, splay mark, silver streaking, splash marks or droplets type imperfections formed on the surface of finished parts. Slay marks, silver streaking, splash marks, obstruction in nozzle, screw RPM too high, back pressure too low, melt temperature too high, nozzle too hot, nozzle too small, gate too small, spur too small, insufficient venting, burr in runner or gate, cracked mold, trapped volatiles, excessive moisture, resin contaminated, mold cavity contamination, excessive short size, discoloration generally appearing at gates, around inserts or other obstructions along with the flow path, visually indicates weak point. Blush problems, mold temperature too cold, injection field speed too fast, melt stock temperature too high or too low, improper gate location, spur and nozzle diameter too small, nozzle temperature too low, insufficient pull slug well, sharp corners in gate area, resins excessively moist, inadequate injection pressure. Burr marks, black marks or scorch marks on surface, module part usually on the side of the part opposite the gate or in the deep cavity. Burr marks problems, excessive injection speed, excessive injection pressure, inefficient mold temperature, excessive amount of volatiles due to improper venting, improper gate location, front zone temperature too high, screw speed too high, excessive back pressure, compression ratio of the screw too high, faulty temperature controllers, frictional burring, gets too small, dead material hang up on the screw or nozzle, melt stock temperature too high or too low, nozzle diameter too small, overheated heater band, incorrect screw RPM.